Hello, Professor. My name is Nabiyev Abdulmalik, and today I'm going to talk about my project work, room booking system in university. Problem is that students all over the world face the challenge of midterms and final exams. So in order to prepare more effectively for exams, students reserve a room at the university where many of them get together and try to review what they have learned during the semester. For this reason, students contact the administration and book necessary room. However, in my opinion, it's really time-consuming action, and that's why it will be more conveniently for students to use my application. Operations included in the application for administration, it's adding rooms, deleting rooms, displaying rooms, checking, reviewing confirmation pending books. As you can see, adding rooms and deleting as well as deleting rooms are both implemented using insertion, sort, and linked list. Displaying number of books also, as well as checking booking list, also implemented using linked list. However, reviewing and confirmation operation of pended or booked rooms are implemented using query. Operations for student is displaying room, booking room, and cancel booked rooms. Booking room operation implemented by using both query and linked list. Canceling booked room operation implemented using deletion of note in linked list. For displaying operation, it's similar to admin one. Okay, now let's see implemented application. Firstly, we need to start it, and now we need to log in as student. We see, firstly, we want to see number of rooms. As you can see, all of them have status of available. We go back and want to book any room what we want. For example, it will be 11202. We need to fill detail. Also, you need to recognize your ID number because it will be necessary to cancel your booking. Okay, now we set up the date of booking. We go back and display room. As you can see, it changed its status 1102. It's now in pending status. And we go back and log in as admin. And firstly, we check student booking list. As you can see, name A, and it's in the list. We go back and go to the 5 operation. And here we can confirm either cancel. We confirm and we go back. We go back and now we can, and we now cancel booked room. It will be 1102. And what here, you need to write your ID in order to make cancellation. It is 1. As you can see, it's booked room number 1102 is successfully canceled. We go back and see the status of that room has been changed to available 1. We go back and as admin, we want to add a room. It will be like randomly. It's not, it doesn't matter. And as you can see, that room number has been implemented. Also, what I wanted to say, as you can see, it uses function of sorting, insertion sorting. So every time you add rooms, it will always sort it. As you can see in the list, we go back and delete the room. It's successfully deleted. As you can see, that number doesn't exist anymore. We go back and that's all. Now we go back to our presentation work and choice of data structures. A linked list is the most common structure used to store room booking data. This type of data structures is advantageous because it can store multiple items of information in a single location. Limitations and future scope. I noticed that 3 biggest drawbacks of my application. It is the database connectivity. So every time you're resetting the application, every information, every booking has been gone because it doesn't contain any database. So in my opinion, it was the main drawback. Also, the graphical user interface, it's not as attractive as I want it to be. That's why it will not be attractive for students. Also, access to internet. It has no access to internet, and it will be more useful for administration. subject importance. A room booking system is an essential component for every university. It's used to manage students' bookings. Also, a linked list is ideal for this situation because it shows how many rooms have been booked along with how many are still available at any given time. So a linked list is one of the preferable data structure in order to implement a room booking system. However, if administrators prefer an idea of reserving lists instead of bookings, then a linked list cannot handle this concept well, since reserved lists are dynamic and may change over time. Okay, in my opinion, that's all. Professor, thank you for your attention. Thank you for your lectures.